November 13th is the World Kindness Day. On this occasion, my greetings to the Touch a Life Foundation founders Sai and Veena Garu. Both have been doing great work since almost a decade. Touch a Life Foundation has started a small way, but now today they have grown big by having their own way of nurturing the young talents, guiding them and also helping them. Like we have the TAL Scouts, TAL Mentors, TAL Transformers, and they also have a TAL radio so that they can inform the public about the inspiration stories. Last 1.5 years has been a very tough time for the entire world and the entire mankind. It is during such occasions like-minded people come together and try to help the public at large. Touch a Life Foundation has done outstanding work during the last 1.5 years during the pandemic times. The way they have helped and the way they have inspired the public is outstanding. My congratulations to Sai Garu and Veena Garu. It's only when the like-minded people come together, then we can help the public at large. And there's a need to have a network of good people. Usually the bad people, because of the various bad things, they network very easily, but whereas good people, networking is a big challenge to the entire world. TAL Foundation is moving towards that direction, and I hope that in the coming days their mission will be successful. In the state of Telangana, especially in Hyderabad, Cyberabad and Rachakonda, the Cyberabad Security Council, which is a very unique organization in the world, which acts as an intermediary between the IT industry and the government and the police, has done outstanding work right from the day one when the lockdown was announced in this country. Almost from March 24th, we were the first to start a COVID control room to help the IT industry and also help the public at large. Almost 6 lakh offices were set up at home with the help of the team SCSC, our SCSC Secretariat team under the leadership of Krishna, the Secretary of the Cyberabad Security Council, who is also said to be the center head of Virtusa. So after almost settling down this big number for their working from home, then we had various challenges of food, not only for the human beings but also for the stray dogs, cats and other animals. Cyberabad Security Council, in active association with other NGOs like Akshay Patra, Feed the Needy, Engistan, Robin Hood Army, have helped thousands of families with food and other groceries and other medical benefits. When the entire Telangana and almost in the entire country, because of COVID, there was acute blood shortage, the Cyberabad Security Council and the Cyberabad Police were the first to come out and launch a blood donation program. Myself, along with the Secretary Krishna and the team of volunteers, were the first to go to Red Cross and donate blood on April 12th, when many people had their own apprehensions and when they were afraid to come out. So from almost 1.5 years, we have almost donated about 20,000 blood units to thalassemia, expectant mothers, cancer patients and the patients who need the blood. Then we had the plasma demand, because plasma was said to be the cure for the initial patients who were affected with COVID. With the help of a bunch of volunteers, we could mobilize almost about 20,000 plasma units, which helped almost 20,000 COVID affected patients. Then we also helped in the movement of the guest workers, and later on in the second wave we started our own hospital Ashraya project, Ashraya. Then we had the O2 bank, Oxy Care Center, and then also we took the initiative of helping various government hospitals in the state of Telangana, Karnataka. So Cyberabad Security Council has a very, very inspiring story. My appreciations to Krishna, our secretary, and the IT industry and the secretariat team of Cyberabad Security Council. So such experiments like Cyberabad Security Council, which is a mediator between the government, police and the public, there is a need to have such similar organizations to help the people in need. Touch a Life Foundation definitely will work on this front, and it will be a mediator between the needy and the people who wanted to help, and they can coordinate between the both through the technology. I came to know that during the COVID, they are not only helped in the USA but also helped in various parts of the world, including India and the Telangana state. So I appreciate the team Touch a Life Foundation. Kindness should not be limited to only one day, that's on November 13th. It should be every day. Every day should be a day of kindness for each and every person who is living on this earth. It might be any form. It might be in giving, motivating people, or giving material, or helping the needy, or connecting the donor to the needy person. So I request all not to limit themselves only on one day, but they should be kind throughout the year. That only will bring them happiness, peace, and also laurels to themselves and to the family. Once again, I appreciate the Touch a Life Foundation for taking a great step towards this direction. Myself and the Telangana State Road Transport Corporation will assure all kind of help to the Touch a Life Foundation with the help of volunteers. Wishing them all the best, and thank you all. Jai Hind.